Wait, do not skip this because I stop raising it out of my hair and my hair literally starts growing like crazy. This is not onion, it's not rice water, and it's not aloe vera. And honestly, I almost do not try this. So if your hair is not growing, breaking, or your edges are thinning, you need to watch this video to the end. I am going to show you the exactly recipe, how I use it, and the one mistake that can stop your results. So if you want good results with this recipe, do not skip it, okay? Now, our first ingredient is moringa. And as you can see, I'm using fresh moringa for this recipe. But if you don't have the opportunity to have fresh one, if you have the powder one, you can use it. Or the dry leaf of moringa, you can also use it. Anyone you can reach your hand on, you are good to go, okay? Moringa is packed with powerful nutrients your hair need. It contains vitamin A and E that helps repair damaged hair follicles. It strengthens weak hair, reduce shedding, and help your hair grow thicker and fuller. This literally feeds your scalp like never before. And when your scalp feels good, you will get a good result. Your hair will start growing. You'll start noticing a lot of good change on your hair. Moringa will help you to achieve that. So what I just did now is to plug out my fresh moringa leaf. So roughly, I'm making use of 1 full hand of my fresh moringa leaf. So if you are using dry one, also use 1 full hand. And if you are using powder one, you can use 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of the powder one, okay? So the next thing I must do now is to wash it to remove dirt and impurities from this fresh leaf before we can proceed to the next step. I wash it almost 3 times. I want to be 100% sure that it's super clean before I continue the process. So after washing it, this is the last time of washing it. Then I will bring a pot and transfer it into my pot for boiling method. Why I'm boiling this? Because it's a fresh leaf. But if you are using powder one or the dry leaf, you don't need to boil it. You can just do your infused method, okay? So after transferring it into the pot, the next thing I will do now is to pour in water to it so that I can boil it. But I boil it only 3 to 5 minutes. Yes, I do not allow it to sit longer time in the fire because I don't want the nutrient of this moringa leaf to lose. So I want to get all the nutrients. So boiling it for a very long time, it can lose all the nutrients it's supposed to get, okay? So the best way is to boil it 3 to 5 minutes is the best, and I like to infuse more some hours so that it will gently infuse and you get all the nutrients so that this moringa leaf can give you that good result it's supposed to achieve with it. But if I like to boil very long time, you have killed all the nutrients and you will not get that good result it's supposed to achieve with this recipe. So if you want to get that good result with this recipe, do not boil it very long time. Just boil it 3 to 5 minutes and bring it out, okay? So after boiling my 3 to 5 minutes, then I bring it out and bring my jar to transfer it into a jar so that I can allow it to infuse like 8 to 9 hours so that it will release more nutrients into the water, okay? But I have another ingredient to add to this that will make this recipe more effective, more powerful, and more potent. And that one recipe again is coffee. Yes, coffee is a game changer, guys. If you have not started using coffee on your hair, please, you need to start it right now and you'll never regret it. Coffee stimulates your scalp instantly. It increases blood circulation, which help your hair grow faster, and it make your hair look darker, shiner, and healthier. It wake up your hair roots and promote crazy hair growth. Don't joke with coffee. If you have not using coffee on your hair, you need to start using it now. So when you combine these two ingredients together, you will get a powerful hair growth activator. There is no joke. This will definitely grow your hair like never before. This is the best combination you can ever try so ever. So I'll just keep this aside to infuse for 8 to 9 hours before you can move to the next step. So once it's 8 to 9 hours, as you can see, that leaf have changed in color, meaning that it has lose more nutrients than before. So now I've gotten all the nutrients of these two powerful ingredients. They have transferred their nutrients into this water and making this water that scalp activator, that super hair growth spray, that super thicker hair recipe, and that super edges fuller recipe. Yes, this will wake up your dormant follicles, activate your scalp, grow your hair like crazy, thicken up your hair, darken your hair, give you that healthy hair you can ever imagine if you are consistent of using it. Okay, you cannot use it only once and you expect the magic to happen. Consistent is the key. If you are not consistent, you will not get that good result. So what I just did now is to extract it out, then transfer the one I want to use right now. The remaining one, I will pour it into the jar, keep it in my refrigerator. So now this one is the one that I'll be using right now. So I just need to drop some essential oils to it. If you don't have essential oil, you can skip this option, okay? But if you have, just add any essential oil you have available. You are good to go. Okay, now the most important part of this now is how to use it, because usage matters a whole lot. You can get how to prepare this recipe, but if you don't know the proper way to use it to get that good results, all your work is in vain. So keep on watching so that you will know the proper way to use it to avoid making any mistake that make you to ruin your hard work. Okay, now listen carefully. Here is what nobody tell you. If you rinse this out, you will not get the same result. Yes, this is where the magic happens. So if you really want to grow your hair, if you really want to see how effective this recipe is, follow the full instruction and pay close attention. Okay, so now spread this on your scalp. Focus any of your problem areas, your edges, your nipple, your crown section, entire of your scalp. Spray it gently, okay, but it's not soaking wet. Just damp your hair with it, okay, and your scalp with it. Okay, then the most important thing you must do is to massage your scalp. Do not skip scalp massage. Okay, make sure massage your scalp like 5 to 10 minutes or 7 minutes. Okay, after massaging your scalp, the next thing you must do is to follow up with your leave-in conditioner, your oil to see your scalp, and then use your leave-in conditioner and your butter to see your hair strands. This part is very important. A lot of people always skip this part. They will apply only that particular spray on their hair without following up with their leave-in conditioner. Is very wrong. So please make sure you follow up with your leave-in conditioner, okay, with your butter, your leave-in conditioner, and use oil to see your scalp. Is very important. Please don't skip it. Okay, so the next thing you will do after doing this is to allow your hair to air dry, or you can go ahead and use your steamy cap or your shower cap to cover up your hair to steam some minutes, then allow your hair to air dry. Okay, this is the simplest way you can use this to grow your hair. Please and please do not rinse this out of your hair. If you want to get that good result, allow this to sit on your hair. Okay, don't rinse it out until on your wash days you want to wash your hair. You cannot do your wash day routine, then after doing your wash day routine you continue with this recipe. Remember, consistent is the key. You will never get results in one application. Just be consistent. In just a few weeks your hair will become more thicker, fuller, and your hair will start growing faster than normal. Okay, so even your edges will start coming back. This recipe, there's no joke. Just try to follow the instruction and you will never ever regret it. Okay, This recipe can store only 5 days in your refrigerator. After 5 days, anyone that remaining, please make sure you discard it and make a fresh batch, because after that 5 days, this particular one you have prepared has lose in potency, making it less power. So make sure you prepare a fresh batch after 5 days so that you continue using it and get that crazy result. Okay, just try to be consistent and you never ever regret it. So you can use this at least 4 times or 3 times in a week, and I kid you not, your hair will grow like never before. Okay, please do not store this more than 5 days. I repeat, do not store it more than 5 days, please. Okay, and always make sure it is in the fridge. If you don't have fridge, just prepare the one you can use only 2 days, okay, and discard the remaining one. Okay, but if you have fridge, make sure you put it in your fridge for 5 days. So if you want more powerful natural hair growth secrets, make sure you do what? Subscribe to this channel right now and turn on your bell notification so that you always notify whenever I drop powerful recipes like this. Okay, so please make sure you like this video, please, and also share this video to your family and friends. I hope you find this video very helpful. Please comment growth if you are going to try this. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.